Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write your first blog post or article. So this is WordPress and this is uh, the editor. So this is the 21st video in the playlist on how to start a profitable blog that generates money for you even when you're sleeping. I will include the link to the playlist in the description so that you can learn everything you need to know from what is your website to making dollars per month or day. So let's get started. So the first thing you're seeing on this page is the alt title. So the alt title, this is where you add the name or the title itself of the post you're writing about. So let's say, for example, you're writing a post about a. Okay, so let's imagine that is our first post you're writing, which is a day in my life. So this is the title of the page, and it's the first thing people are going to be seeing when they search for you or when they search for any related keywords. So what follows next? What follows next is now the content itself. This is where now you write your first paragraph. So now how should you write your first paragraph? So the first paragraph is what people see in Google search results when they search for something. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say for example I go to Google and search for myself, Keith Rains. Okay, so you're going to see Keith Rains, top up designer in Zambia. So this is the title of the page. Then what you're going to see is the first description. Okay, the first article in the description, which summarizes about what you're going to read, what you're going to find, or what is this page about, or what's this person all about. Okay, so this is what people see first. So in order to attract people to click on your link, you really need to write a catching title and include everything in the first paragraph. Okay, not only will this help you get clicks, it will also help the search engines to rank your post. So what can you write in the first paragraph? Okay, in here write as many as possible, but try to summarize everything. So in this first paragraph, write about what people are going to know or read in the article. Don't talk about anything not related to what's on the article. Okay. So for example, what I can write here can start with anything like then about me, about my daily life, what I do, uh my hobbies, what I like doing during the day, my job, my school, my working and other stuff. So try to summarize them. Then when you're done with writing your first paragraph, okay, just click enter and start continue writing. So probably the second thing you're going to write is a title. So how do you write a title? Oh, how do you write a heading? So a heading, all you need to do is click on the plus button and search for heading if you don't see it. Okay, so heading can help you rank also as well. So for example, our first heading will be who I am. Okay, so not everyone who may know you, so would like to introduce to people who are you. Yeah, the other thing you would try to write about maybe what I do. Okay, don't forget to make proper punctuations. This is only for teaching you guys. Okay, what uh, what I do. Okay, it is okay. So let's say now you're done with writing your first blog post. What's next? Okay, you can write up a conclusion and say uh in the conclusion, just summarize everything you've written above and encourage people to comment if they have any other questions and encourage people to share the post if they liked what they read. It can help you with free traffic, yeah, when people share your post. Okay, you can also advertise something in the conclusion, like say, I'm offering this and this. Click on the link to download or to buy and so on. There's a lot you can do in the conclusion part. So once you're done with this post, before you publish it, there are also other things you need to do. Okay. So you need to come over and click on the post button here. Okay, and you need to choose a category where you're going to place the post. So as for me, I write a lot of posts about different things about marketing, business, AdSense, affiliate marketing, content, whatever, coding. So I'd like to group my posts in certain categories. So you can create a category and group them. So maybe I'm going to add this one in AdSense. Okay, from here there are also tags. Okay, tags can also help people find your post or related post easily. So a tag is supposed to be short. If you want, it can be long, but I prefer short tags. So for example, this one I will say Keith as a tag. Let's come. Okay, so the other thing you need to add is the featured image. The featured image is the one that shows in search results alongside your post content. Okay, it also shows on the top of your post when people are reading your post. So how do you write or how do you design or how do you make a featured post for your website? Okay, like there's this tool I use. It's called cover cover.now.sh. I'll also include the link in the description. So all you need to do okay is to enter in the post name, enter your name, your author, okay, and choose whatever colors you feel like. Okay, it's up to you to choose any color you want. You can choose any background color you want. Okay, you can also change the background pattern. I like using this one. You can also change this camera icon, and as for me, I use the Google icon. Uh, but- okay. So when I'm done with everything, all I need to do is click on download. Okay, to be downloaded there, and click on state featured image and paste it in here, and it will be added. Okay. So from here, what else can you do? Well, this is it for today. I'll make a new video about search engine optimization, about everything you need to know about ranking your post in search results. So make sure that you subscribe, like this video to support me, and share with your friends. Bye for now.